Morning traders, here's the open on S&P and Dow. We're expecting very powerful bullish push and we're expecting very big problem in this area. This is a crucial chart on Dow that been present in front of you for the last week. S&P in identical place at crucial support, buyers fully in charge. As we discussed before the open, scan already giving us alerts. Intelligent trader is not surprised. Intelligent trader is well prepared. If you're trading Dow, you're absolutely prepared. You know extremely well what to do. Massive longs on Dow. This was expected, this was presented, this was discussed well before market open. Everyone clear on this? Why in the world? Simple. We are at alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Intelligent trader extremely well prepared and knows very well where the stop, where the entry, where the target is. Jumping on bandwagon randomly will never work. Never, ever. Everyone with me? So if you intend to be a follower, it will never work. If you intend to be intelligent strategic trader, it will work extremely well. So here's long on Dow traders. Red line is your stop. The trade is not on 1. For the trading room, I convert every single trade to 1. So we expected the obstacle at this crucial resistance. Software identified that this would be a problem. Is everyone seeing this? Choose a tick. Again, we discussed, identified everything before market open. Intelligent trader understand that this is a crucial moment on Dow traders. This level is out, we're flying through the roof. Critical target is in, stop outside of break even. Boom. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci trading system every single day. Choose a tick again. If you will ever choose to ignore this as your target, you will never succeed. Price reverses from this target 70% of the time. Continue trailing carefully. Clear on this? Why is this so spectacular and so magnificent? Simple. You are not dealing with little baby levels. You're dealing with institutional reversal zone. And what Dow will do here will be everything. This identical alpha Fibonacci bottom been in a place since Monday. This is a gift this morning. And if I convert this chart to 3, to 4, to 5, to any chart you choose to trade, identical formula remains. Enjoy the power. Again, trade is not on 1. Trade converted to 1 for the trading room only. Massive number of trading opportunities this morning. We knew that this will play out well before markets open. Intelligent trader adjusts trail even closer. Yes? So now trade reached alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, where pullbacks can be very powerful and very sudden. Adjusting your trail very closely is crucial. So software right now telling us it's a brilliant thing to get the heck out of your long. Everyone seeing this? Long is done. So again, this is alpha Fibonacci trend inception. This is alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. This is alpha Fibonacci institutional bottom. Identified days in advance. This entire week had been a dream as market kept rallying from ultimate bottom. And if I convert this chart to 5, 15, any chart you choose to trade, identical institutional bottom will remain. We discussed with students well before market open. This is 10 out of 10 morning. For the trading room, I converted the trade to 1 minute chart. So if you manage to take the profits of the table on this trade, and if you accomplished 30, 40, 50 points on the trade, all depends what trade you chose to trade. Correct? So if you've done 10 points on Dow on single lot, $50. If you've done 10 lots, $500. If you've done 20 lots, $1,000. This is a lot more than 10 points on Dow. Everyone clear on this? So when Dow keeps giving us, Scanner keeps giving us more and more bullish opportunities, intelligent trader knows the difference between buying ultimate bottom from alpha Fibonacci trend inception versus buying here. Intelligent trader done for the day. Intelligent trader understands the danger of buying this high. Intelligent trader always look to buy at support. So if Dow is selling off and pulling back all the way down, it's such a beautiful news. As we knew extremely well, this is a perfect place to exit your long, not to enter long. Clear on this? Every single trader who trades Alpha Fibonacci trading system works a lot less than 30 minutes per day. Brett, 12 points, same right of support and setup, Les 20 points, Emmanuel 22, Sanjeev 16, Steve 15 points, 2 points on NQ, 38 points, Jean, Emmanuel, phenomenal. This is one of our mornings. Here's another one. Another 13 points today. Pay attention to timing. 10 a.m. 30 minutes after market open. $700 in 2 days on my combine. Les 20 points. Lisa 20 points. Rob 15. Jean 25. Dow 25. This is what students saying about class. Thanks for your insights. Awesome, great, another excellent class. Appreciate another great class. This is a wow class. Maurice, wonderful, great class. Typical. Manu, 5 points. James, 20 points. James, I love that. Drastically more intelligence. That's how I feel with AFS. Robert, 12 points. Brett, 100% for the months. James, supporting Brett. And that's camaraderie of Alpha Fibonacci traders. When I get email like this, it's everything. The change in the room since concentration has been on YM has been, to say the least, unparalleled triumph. I know you've been working and devoting much of your time closing out this chapter of your endeavors. On the bottom, I hope you are feeling well and allowing yourself time to regenerate so you can continue giving to those around you, which is a golden ticket to life. That's it. If Brett, Les, Sanjeev, Steve, Robert, Jerry, Jean can do it, so can you. What are you waiting for? We're done. Boom! 7 minutes after market open. 4 minutes after market open. Jerry 8 points. Steve 12 points. Rob 20 points. Brett 2.25 S&P. Jean 32 points. Manu 10 points. Wow, how nice. Boom. How long have market been open this morning? 14 minutes. Intelligent trader done. Intelligent trader never ever chases the markets. Gary, 20 points oil. What are you waiting for? And Manu supporting everyone. That's camaraderie of Alpha Fibonacci traders. Intelligent trader adds a lot size, never ever number of trades. So if you come to the website and you want to listen to traders, click on reviews section, please, where you can see traders all over the world in 57 countries trading the method from futures, stocks, forex, options, winning competitions all over the world. If all of the students can do it, so can you. As of next week, all of the specials we've been offering are done and gone. So the current specials where you can take advantage of $2,000 discount is finished, wrapped up in the next few days. We offer this for a limited time. All of this will be only regular price. So if you're interested in join us, take advantage of the last opportunity. If you're considering private mentoring, pretty please speak with me first. This is what students do after 20 years of trying. If Brett can do it, if Steve can do it, if Sanjeev can do it, if Manu can do it, if Gary can do it, so can you. And Brad is joking. We had a little help from you know who. For potential new students from Mike, be wise and take advantage of the special. As my incredible students know, everything will be changing, going to entirely new levels. Thank you, Jerry. Yes, I've heard that Steve just made another post. Means the world. Thank you, traders. Incredible review from Steve. Thank you so much. Means the world. If you have any questions for me, traders, simply click on Contact Us section and call me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. You want to trade as this trader's done this morning? You can do exact same thing Steve does. Means the world. Thank you, Steve. Thank you, traders, for another phenomenal morning. We're done.